Hi Peter McKinnon. Hi Casey Neistat. I really need your help, guys. No, it's not true. I don't need your help. Let me show who really needs your help, guys. And I'm sure you're able to.
Everybody knows, they think of Hawaii, they think of, palm trees, beautiful green, turquoise blue water, beautiful sunsets. We've been trying to hold it all together and keep it paradise.
In harsh contrast with most of the beautiful Hawaiian beaches, Kamilo Beach on the south side of Hawaii Island is littered with plastic and marine debris, tarnishing what used to be pristine shores. Much of the beach is made up of trash pulled in by ocean currents from the Great Pacific Garbage Patch between Hawaii and Northern California.
Hold on.
This has to stop. Think about the plastic you use in your daily lives. John Orston, of the Blue Planet Society, which campaigns to protect the oceans, said it was the worst example of plastic.
Peter, Casey, I will show you now how you can help me to protect the environment. I will show you here on my iPad.
Before I sent the drone up in the air, I said to camera, image quality and flight controls are
A lot of us need a coffee to get up in the morning, and a lot of us get that coffee in one of these. In the UK, we get through 7 million of these every day. That's 2.5 billion disposable coffee cups in a year. Of those 2.5 billion, hardly any will be recycled. But what's the problem with coffee cups, and why are they so difficult to recycle? These cups are made of paper, and that means they are technically recyclable, something that coffee chains are all too happy to promote on their packaging. But inside there's a layer of polyethylene plastic, which makes them waterproof and also able to hold your drink. The problem is that it also means they can't be dealt with at conventional recycling facilities. Instead, they have to be taken to specialised centres. But if you throw away your coffee cup, it's unlikely to end up at such a centre, because there are only 3 such places in the UK.
Canadians drink more coffee per capita than almost any country in the world and throw out about 1.5 billion cups a year.
It's a daily fix and Australians are hooked.
We average about 500 cups a day.
But our love affair with coffee comes at a cost.
Predominantly you would sell takeaway cups, that's really what you're...
That is basically what people are required.
Most people think these disposable coffee cups are environmentally friendly. They're wrong.
Would it surprise you that it actually has lots of plastic actually in the lining of the cup?
That does surprise me, yeah.
Every year, Australians use 1 billion of these cups, of which a large majority end up in facilities like this. In fact, coffee cups now make up the second largest contributor to litter in this country, behind plastic bottles.
I've found a couple of samples as I was walking here today. These are just 2 standard coffee cups. Now, this one is really quite standard, but what we're talking about is the fact that it looks quite innocent, paper, but if you look on the inside here, you can actually see that there is a thin lining of plastic. So even though the paper may actually degrade and become inert, the plastic will stick around for a really long time. So we're going to end up with a sort of complete little plastic sack. And this is obviously what's going to persist in the environment for a really long time. And this is what makes the cups non-recyclable. The paper, in essence, is highly recyclable, but the plastic lining is what's going to cause complications.
Peter, Casey, why I come to you with that question. First of all, I want to ask you guys, please stop using these kind of plastic cups in your videos. Nearly in every second video, you guys using one of these cups. With your channels, Peter, over 2 million viewers, Casey over 9.5 million viewers. If you give a clear, strong message to your audience, I think we can change something. Because the people, first of all, the people doesn't know that they're using plastic. The cups are made from paper and the people don't have an idea. With your audience and with your voice, you have the chance to help me and all the other guys that you saw in the videos. They are working really with their heart to protect our environment. And I do this because I'm a scuba diving instructor and I see the pollution in our oceans every single day when I'm going into the water. So please guys, help.